So, bro, do you
Yes.
believe that there is life after this life?
No. I believe when it comes,
Uh,
when this life is done, everything is done. Your lifestyle is done. Lifeline is done.
Everything is just done.
It's done.
What makes you think like that?
Because nobody has ever gone there and came back to
Yep.
tell us what is happening.
But I think I've seen a lot of testimonies on YouTube. You try to
I
listen
don't
to them.
believe in people who talk without beliefs, without proofs. They just speak from their words. I can also go home and sleep for 1 week and come back. Say, I died. Yeah.
So you don't really think that when someone lives this life, there is an afterlife.
I don't believe in it.
Really?
Yeah.
But do you take time to think what could happen to you after you live this life?
No, I don't even think about it, but I think about living it. I don't think about life after living it.
So
Or I think
you
about living
barely
it.
believe in another life.
I don't know if it
But
is there.
personally, I think as a Christian man, I think there is life after this life.
Or there's after.
Yeah. So as you do things, as you behave, talk to people, create new relationships,
Yes.
as the way you behave, everything should prepare you for the new
Yeah.
life
New
after
life.
this life. That's what I think about it.
Me, I don't believe in all those. I believe life stops here. Enjoy it. Life ends
So,
here.
guys, you've listened to what this guy is telling me. What do you think about life after this life?